I'm going to show you how to use language packs to change static content that's built into DNN. One of the most common pieces of content that you can manage with the language packs includes the terms of use and the privacy statement. Language packs also control a lot of other pieces of content that are static throughout the site, things like the titles of buttons and pop-ups. Various module vendors also use language packs to present static content to you. This could include things like labels, buttons, and other things. So it's very useful to know how to use the language editor so you can change how the website is presented to your visitors. You'll find the language editor inside of Site Settings. So go to Settings and then choose Site Settings. Within Site Settings, you'll have a Languages tab. Under Languages, you'll see all of the languages available to you. In many cases, you might see just one language here, and that's normal. If I want to change something about the language, I simply choose this icon on the right. Now that we're within the language that we want to look at, we can choose how we want to edit the language pack. You can choose to edit the global file, host, or my website. In almost all cases, you want to choose my website, so that way the changes that you make aren't applied to all of the other websites that might be installed in your DNN instance. Now we can choose the actual resource file that we want to manage. I'm going to choose Global Resources because we want to change something about either the terms of use or the privacy statement. You'll find those under the Global Resources. Once you've chosen a resource file, you'll see it loaded below. As you scroll through it, you'll notice just how much you can translate within DNN. We can also search for something that we're looking for, such as privacy. At this point, we can edit it. Now you can see that I've added a header tag that says "We respect your privacy." At this time, I'm going to save the translation. You'll see that the translation has been saved, and now we can go check to see if it actually is applied. In order to do that, I'm going to close the persona bar and then view the privacy statement. It's important to know that whenever you change the language files in your website, it'll actually cause the next page load to load slowly, so you don't want to make many updates in a row. As you can see, the title that we added is now added to the privacy statement. That's how easy it is to use the language editor. Feel free to give it a try.